Good day, sir. Welcome to Claire's Restaurant. Do you have any reservation, sir?
Yes, I have.
Okay, sir. May I know your name?
Under the name of Chris Jericho.
Okay, sir. Let me check po. Excuse me. We already reserved you the best and comfortable seat for you, sir.
Okay.
This way, sir. Is this seat? It's okay with you, sir?
Yes, of course.
Have a seat po, sir. Excuse me, sir. Our waiter will be serve you in a minute.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. This is your water. Do you want to pour it into your glass?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. I will be back and take your order, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Welcome to Claire's Restaurant, and I will be your waiter for today.
Yes, can I see the menu, please?
Here we go. So may I now take your order, sir?
Okay, so I would like to order this lamb curry.
Okay. Noted, sir. Anything else you want to order?
Just a second. I'm still not sure about what to order.
If that's so, sir, may I suggest our best seller, which is grilled chicken?
Oh, that sounds delicious. May I know what is there?
So our famous grilled chicken is a grilled chicken breast served out of crisp lettuce toast with dressing, shaved cheese, garlic, croutons, and cherry tomatoes. That is why I ensure to you, sir, that it is very juicy and delicious, and it is worth it buying for.
Okay, we'll have that.
Glad to know, sir. How about drinks?
Okay, give me one mango smoothie.
Do you have anything else you'd like to add in your order, sir?
Nothing, that's all, thank you.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order?
Sure.
So your order is 1 log curry, 1 grilled chicken, and 1 mango smoothie.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you, sir. Your order will be out shortly. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to let me know.
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I unfold your table napkin?
Yes, you may.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse, sir. This is your food. This is lamb curry, and this is grilled chicken.
Okay, thank you.
Here's your bill, sir. What do you want to settle your payment po? Cash or credit card?
Cash only.
I'll be back, sir, for your change it.
No, keep the change. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming, sir. Hope you enjoy your food.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you and come again. Keep safe po, sir.